What's the meaning of boonies? Boonies. Boonies.
Boonies. Boonies. The term boonies refers to a remote or isolated area, typically in the countryside or wilderness, that is far away from civilization. It is often used to describe places that are difficult to get to or hard to find, and may be lacking modern amenities or infrastructure. The exact meaning of the term can vary depending on the context and region, but generally connotes a sense of seclusion and distance from urban areas. In popular culture, the term is often used to describe adventure or survival stories set in the wilderness.